microbes, welcome to MicroChef, where we literally cook culture media. Today, we're preparing 400 ml of BAT or blood agar plate, enriched with 5% sheep's blood. Get your materials ready, and of course, don't forget the sterile sheep's blood. Next, measure 200 ml of distilled water and pour it into your flask. That's half of your total volume. Now weigh the required grams of BAT powder using foil and a calibrated balance. Next, dissolve the powder in the first half, then add another 200 ml of distilled water to complete 400 ml. Cover the flask with foil, seal with autoclave tape, and autoclave it at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes at 15 psi. Once the tape turns black, your media is sterile and ready for the next step. Cool the base agar to around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Then, manually add 20 ml of sterile defibrinated sheep's blood. That's 5% of 400 ml. Pour into sterile Petri dishes, label one plate as ST or sterility test and another as GT or PT, growth and purity test. Inoculate your PT or GT plate with SRU's QC strain. Leave the ST plate untouched. Incubate both in the CO2 incubator. The expected outcome would be no growth on ST and visible growth on GT or PT. That means your BAT is good to go. From prepping to plating, that's one bloody good recipe for growing microbes the right way. So stay cultured!